Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice shadow black leather, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Sport Appearance package, the Advanced Tow and Haul package, and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, got mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, the nice LARIAT logo right there with mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we have a license plate bracket, front park sensing, tow hook, tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with that leathering on the door. You can lift up the seats by just pulling this toggle right here. Let's see if I can get it stuck up. Apparently not. But you do get under compartment storage as well. You got a little storage cubby there. USB and USB-C, 120 volt. And you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there. Got the Ranger logo on the floor mats. We do have plenty of store space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, and got your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.2 kilometers. We do have a heated leather app steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main menu, in my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and so on and so forth. Over here we have this new looking gear shift, cup holders, parking brake, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, and tow and haul mode. You do have your park assist, traction, auto stop, auto start, trail control right there, nice little fry holder, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. Above me we do have our features for our rear window opener. We do have a nice leather up center console with tons of storage. Got your volume right there. Your on temperature, AC, max temp, all that fun stuff. Little storage cubby there with storage below. And clicking here, you got storage above as well. We do get a nice B&O sound system, which adds a nice sound to your music. Looking here, we have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. There's all your channels, phone, navigation, music, your tow and haul mode. Your climate controls are just down there. Here we're going to go to our apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sketch, vehicle settings, and all the basic settings for the vehicle, and your 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE51846, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.